So for our lesson today, we're going to be practicing making 10. So making 10 is when you have this 10 frame, and what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can complete that equation and make 10. So if we have one blue dot here, and we want to make 10, how many red dots do we have to add to make 10? We want to add a number to 1, and we want this number to equal 10. So 1 plus what equals 10? Do we think it's 8? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Do we think it's 8? Or do we think it's 9? 8 or 9? Let's go ahead and count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. Let's check it. We have 2 plus blank equals 10. So if we have 2 blue dots and we want to make 10, how many red dots did we have to put in our tens frame to make 10? I'll give you about 5 seconds. See if you can count up those red dots. We were going to count out the red dots. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Which number says 8? Is it this one? No, that's our 7. Is it this one? Yep, this is our 8. Let's check it. And it says correct. Next we have 3. What do we add to 3 to get to 10? So we have 3, and we want to add how many red dots? How many red dots do we want to add? We have 3, and we need to add a certain number to get to 10. We have our tens frame. So we know that we have 5 here on the bottom. We know that there's 5 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's half of a tens frame. And we know that 5 plus 5 more equals 10. So what would happen if we count on? We know there's 5. What comes after 5? 6 and 7. Nice job. So if we have 3 and we add 7 more, that equals 10. So we had 3 and we added 7 more, and we made 10. We filled out our tens frame. And we got it correct. Next is 4 plus blank equals 10. 4 plus blank equals 10. Let's see if we can use that counting on trick that we used before. We know that there's 4 blue ones, and then we have 1 red up here. Do you remember how many are on the bottom on our last one? How many reds did we have on the bottom? We knew that it was half of our tens frame. So what could this be here on the bottom? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's still 5 on the bottom. So if we have 1 more up top, 5, and we add 1 more, that equals what number? Yes, that equals 6. Nice job. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Is this our 6? No, that's our number 5. That's our number 5. Our 6 is over here. Let's check it. And we got it correct. Ooh, this one is in half. We have half blue and half red. Remember that trick? What's half of a tens frame? How many reds do we have on our tens frame? How many reds? I'll give you about 5 seconds to figure it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. How many reds do we have? That's right, we have 5 reds. Is this our 5? No, this is our 4. Is this our 5? Yep, this is our 5. Let's check it. And we got it correct. 6 plus blank equals 10. Ooh, 6 plus blank equals 10. Now we have 6 blue. We know we have 6 blue because the top half of our tens frame is filled out. So we know that's 5 plus 1 more equals 6. So how many reds do we have? How many reds do we have? Do we have 5 reds? Is 6 plus 5 10? No, let's try 4. Let's count out 4. If we have 6 and we're gonna add 4 more, we're gonna count on, let's try it, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we had 6 and we added 4 more, and that equals 10. Let's check it. And we got it correct. All right, 7 plus blank equals 10. How many red dots do we have? I think you'll get this one pretty quick. How many red dots do we have? We have 7 blue, and we want to add those reds to make 10. I'll give you about 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we have how many reds? That's right, we have 3. We have 3 reds. 1, 2, and 3. Good job. 8 plus blank equals 10. We're looking for our reds. How many reds do we have? We want to complete our equation. Our equation is what we have up here. Our 8 plus blank equals 10. What's our missing number? How many reds do we have? Can you hold it up on your fingers? Oh, we can hold up this answer. I'm going to give you about 5 more seconds. Let's count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. How many reds do we have? Awesome. We have 2, and we can count them up real quick. 1 and 2. And this is our 2. Let's check it. And we got it correct. 9 plus blank equals 2. If we have 9 blue dots, we've got 9 whole blue dots. And I need to get to 10. How many do I need to add? I see a dot here. Do I see any more red dots? Do you see any more red dots? No. How many red dots do we see? That's right, there's 1 red dot. So which number is our 1? Is it this one? Nope, that one is our 2. Is it this one? Ooh, this one is our 1. And we see that there's 1 red dot. So 9 plus 1 more equals 10. Ooh, this one might be a tricky one. Sometimes we've talked about the number 0. And do you remember what 0 means? That's right, it means that there's nothing there. So if we have 10 already, and we're gonna add what to get to 10? If we have 10 already, do we have any reds on our tens frame? Is there any reds right here? No, so that would be the number 0. That would be 0. Let's check it. 10 plus 0 equals 10. So what we have here is these are our number bonds. So we've been practicing equations and tens frame. So what we want to do here is we want to find the missing number that makes 10. So just like we've been practicing. So if we have 1, how much more do we need to add to make 10? If I have 8 and I add 1, what comes after 8? If I just add 1, if I have 8 and 9, does that equal the number 10 here? No. What about if I have a 9 and I count forward 1? 9 and 10. So if we have 9 and we add 1 more, that equals what number? 10. So if we have 1 and we're going to click the 9, yep, that one makes our 10. Let's try it. And we got it correct. Same thing if we have 10 and we have one of our number bonds is 2. What are we going to add to that 2 to get to 10? What are we going to add to that 2 to get to 10? Let's try 7. If we have 2 and we're going to jump forward 7 numbers, let's try it. If we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that 10? No, that got us to number 9. What about if we had 8 and we want to jump forward 2 more? Because maybe we want to do a quicker math way. Let's try 8 and we're going to add 2 more. How many more are we adding? We're adding 2 more. So let's start from 8. What number comes after 8? We have 8, 9, and 10. So we know that if we have 2 and we add 8 more, it equals 10. Or if we have the number 8 and we add 2 more, it also equals 10. Great job. Let's submit it and let's check it. Yep, we got it. Now we have 3 and we want to get to 10. Do you remember what we add to 3 in order to get 10? What number do we add to 3 to get 10? Give you a couple seconds to think about it. Test out these numbers and count on from them. Let's start with 6. If we have 6 and we're going to add 3 more, because what we want to do with this is we're trying to find this missing number here in order for us to get 10. But we want to also add this number because this number plus this number in our number bond equals 10. So we're trying to find that missing number. So the way that we're going to add is a little bit quicker because we've been practicing counting on. So let's try 6. Does 6 plus 3 equal 10? So we're going to start with 6 and we're going to count on 3. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Does 9 equal 10? Are 9 and 10 the same? No way. Let's go ahead and try 7 and we're going to count on 3 as well. So now we're going to try 7. So if we have 7, we're counting on 3. Let's try it. 7. What comes after 7? 8, 9, and 10. So if we have 7 and we count on 3, we get 10. Let's go ahead and submit and we're going to check our work. Oh, look at that. All right. Now we have 4 and a blank number. We need to get to 10. What do we think? Do you remember one of your math facts from the other equations? If not, let's try counting on. What do you think we should try first? Should we try the 7 first? Oh, we just did one with 7, didn't we? And we know that 7 plus 3 equals 10. So do we think that 7 plus 4 would also equal 10? No, let's try 6. If we have 6 and we're going to count on 4, let's see if it equals 10. So we have 6 and we're going to count on 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We made it to 10. So 4 and 6 equals 10. 5 plus what equals 10? Remember, this is the half and half. What plus 5 equals 10? Think of your tens frame. If there's 5 up top, how many needs to be on the bottom to make 10? Is it 2? No, that would be 7. That would be 5, 6, 7. What about 5 plus 5? If you have 5 and you add another 5, that would be 10. Let's go and try 5. Yep, we got it correct. Ooh, this one is flip-flopped. Remember when we had a 4 here? And then we knew that it was 4 and 6 equals 10. So now if we switch it around and we have a 6 here, what number do you think we're going to add to get to 10? Do you think we're going to add a 3? No, because that equals what number? 7, 8, 9. That equals a 9. What about our 4? Yep, that equals our 10. Ooh, now we have our 7. Do you remember what number we add to 7 in order to get 10? That's right, we add our 3 because 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we're gonna add our 3. Ooh, 8 plus what equals 10? 8 plus what equals 10? Would it be 5? No, that number would be too big. Would it be 2? Let's try it. Hold up 2 fingers for me and we're going to count on. Starting from 8, what comes after 8? 9 and 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Ooh, what do we add to 9 to get 10? 9 is just before 10, so how many do we add to get over? Are we gonna add 4? No, that would be too many. What about 1? 9 plus 1 equals 10. We know that if we have 9 and we add 1 more, it's gonna equal 10. Great job. And that's all that we have for today's lesson. Great job making 10 with me, and I want you to practice counting on at home. Think of what numbers make 10. Maybe you have a whiteboard, maybe you can use some blocks, maybe you can use some Legos. I want you to practice making 10 today. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye.